How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you an amazing platform for converting various types of files that we work with every day. ILOVEPDF.com. If you work with various types of files, say Word files, Excel files, or even PNG and J pictures, and you want to convert it to PDF and vice versa, this is the amazing platform to check out. It offers a lot of options to quickly choose from. You don't even need to sign up. It's fast, useful, and completely free. To give you an example, I'm going to need to merge some PDF files into one to have everything in one file so you can see how quickly and fast this site works. So I'm going to just click on Select PDF Files, add all my files, and later on, I will just click on Merge Files option. After I clicked Merge Files, it quickly did all the work, and it even downloaded the merged file on my computer itself. I didn't have to click Download manually. As you can see, it did the job very fast. You can use all other options that platform offers, for example, converting from Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, JPEG, etc. I hope you can find this platform useful as I did. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe so I can post more of these quick tutorials of useful stuff. Thanks and see you in the next one.